processing hundreds of logs every day, turning towering giants into products for human consumption. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel to support us.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.
Components for the logistics and transportation industries worldwide, meeting customer needs efficiently. Weighing 60 tons and standing 12 meters high, it plays a key role in turning raw wood from logging yards into usable wood. These giant wood cutting machines boast incredible precision. Turning ancient trees into useful materials for construction and crafts. Standing tall above the wood mills, the Holzbolter Extreme 80T truck has impressive processing capabilities. It ensures a steady supply of processed wood for various applications. Edmiston Sawmill with advanced technology and skilled workforce ensures high-quality lumber output, promoting economic growth. Pallet production lines are the backbone of lumber's manufacturing operations, creating essential. These machines operate at impressive speeds, processing hundreds of rosewood logs per hour, ensuring efficiency in production. In the center of the carpentry workshop, a super large log was transported to be crafted. Standing tall on the factory floor, this giant saw works at full power, cutting through logs with precision and power. Crafted by skilled artisans, the giant tree trunks are tamed by equally massive saws, each a testament to human ingenuity and the raw power of machines. With the ability to process logs of enormous size, this lumbering giant produces wood at an impressive rate, 16th inch. With a daily production exceeding 500 flawless boards, this process harmonizes supreme craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology, yielding truly remarkable outcomes. Crafting rosewood into wooden panels requires the ingenuity of machines and craftsmen. The cutting process uses a high-tech saw that can cut through rosewood with an accuracy of 0.1 mm. that fascinates with its beauty and fragrance. We proceed on our journey to a wood sawmill in Southeast Asia, where they craft exquisite planks from aged logs. The wood of choice is cheesy wood, exclusive to Asia, boasting a lifespan purportedly spanning thousands of years. Within the workshop, the transformation of cheesy wood into delicate boards is a captivating fusion of precision and artistry. State-of-the-art sawing equipment ensures remarkable accuracy, slicing through the wood with astonishing precision, yielding boards as thin as one's. Let's see the technique of making a beautiful water hyacinth from rich red sandalwood that requires precision and dexterity. Every step in the process, from choosing the perfect piece of wood to meticulously carving intricate designs, requires expertise. This red coarse sandalwood log is prized for its brilliant crimson color. Artisans have sculpted a masterpiece, infusing it with cultural symbolism and aesthetic elegance. With their 20 years of wood carving experience, they turn this precious wood into an exquisite water hyacinth, a testament to the combination of tradition and art. It is a journey where every cut, every curve has meaning, creating a captivating creation that transforms large logs into a myriad of products. Central to its operations is a highly efficient saw that maintains the integrity of the logs, capable of cutting through trees up to 15 meters in length with remarkable precision. On a daily basis, it handles a considerable volume of wood, initially cutting it into robust panels which are subsequently fashioned into intricate furniture pieces. Besides its considerable scale, the factory operates in an environmentally sustainable manner, reducing waste and optimizing the utilization of every piece of wood. Aiming to minimize impact on its structural integrity. Utilizing both meticulous craftsmanship and modern machinery, they fashion these massive logs into sizable planks. Each plank serves as a testament to the tree's endurance and the exceptional skill of the carpenters. Their expertise enables them to uphold the tree's beauty and integrity in every piece. This process demands patience and respect, resulting in wood that narrates a tale of resilience and lasting strength. These timber processing facilities are situated in close proximity to logging sites. Utilizing advanced technology and precision engineering, the facility is old. This shows the importance of sustainability and respect for nature in the logging industry. Take a look and be amazed by these incredible wood cutting skills. The ginkgo tree, an ancient species, has endured for millennia, dating back approximately 270 million years, with some specimens boasting over 4,000 years of existence. Transporting these colossal trees to the wood-cutting facility demands strenuous effort from laborers. With exacting precision, artisans transform them into robust boards. Craftsmen delicately slice segments of the tree's trunk,